Hey guys, Panda back with you, and today we're going to talk about microwave maintenance. Cleaning your microwave, all right? Now I bought this microwave literally a year ago, a Toshiba. Not a big microwave, does a job. Now the one thing I want to point out here is, I don't know how often you guys had to replace microwaves because you get food buildup, say down here under your rotating tray, and then it like cooks on to the actual enamel in here, breaks, peels off, then you have an explosion taking place. And the same thing happens, I don't know if you guys can see it, up here in these corners. See these cracks? Up there in the crack, oh yeah, you see that corner over there? Got some food particles baked on. Doesn't matter what you do, they bake on. And down here, these cracks back in these edges are extremely important to keep cleaned out, guys. And if water condensation builds up like it does on your door, you've got to take the effort and clean it out, or you're going to be replacing your microwave every freaking 2 years. Okay, I got news for you. And you don't want to be doing it. What I do is I use just a regular scrub brush. Soft enough it's not going to tear the bristles apart. You can get these bristles down in these corners. Spray a little bit of cleaner in there. And then that way it'll break stuff loose. And the same with up here, being really careful, okay? But yeah, this is preventative maintenance for your microwave. Unless you don't mind spending, a couple $100, $150 every couple of years. That's up to you. But frankly, I'm tired of the bullshit because that's, what's been happening. You can't count on other people to clean the microwave. So make sure you clean the microwave yourself. Another important thing to note, any type of foods that you heat up or cook in your microwave, obviously you got microwave safe containers, say like to steam your veggies and whatnot. But other foods that you're reheating in these, especially foods that have any type of air, the fatty content in them, where they might explode and then pop and then put, all the food particles here and there. Use a simple paper towel, okay? Simple paper towel, and cover the food up. Yeah, I know you're gonna waste paper towels, or you can use like a small saucer plate too. Cover the piece of meat. Different pieces of meat just pop and go ape shit in the microwave. Or don't run the microwave on high power for a long period of time. It's like maybe heat something up like in increments of like a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes, until you achieve the desired reheating temperature that you're looking for. But yeah, quick little video on microwave maintenance. But yeah, I already scrubbed it out. Just thought I'd do a little video, because I know I'm not the only person that has this kind of an issue. Get the little plate put back in there, and I think we're good to go, guys. So we'll kind of do it for this little video. Yeah, small little microwave does the job. Just make sure they're big enough to put a full-size plate in. Some of them are so small, man, it makes it even worse. So, all right, guys. Keep safe, take care. Panda will see you on the next video. Peace out.